The Magnilink Voice 2 is a reading machine made by LVI America. This machine is perfect for anybody who is low vision, blind, or print disabled. With the Magnilink Voice 2, a user can now read their mail, a book, newspaper, magazine, menu, and so much more. A user is able to use the Magnilink Voice 2 through its tactile remote control, where they have access to large buttons. Using this device is as easy as lifting up the front arm that has the camera built into it, placing your document underneath, and pressing the large orange button on the tactile remote control. On the back of the unit, there are 3 USB ports. One of these USB ports is used to connect your remote control, but the other ones are so that you can connect a thumb drive to your device. When you have a thumb drive connected to the device, the Magnilink Voice 2 can then either read documents off of that thumb drive or save your scans to it. That way you can go ahead, take it out, connect it to a computer, and access those documents. Along the side of the device are 2 HDMI ports. This allows a user to connect their Magnilink Voice 2 to a monitor where then they can see whatever it is that the device is reading. The Magnilink Voice 2 has a built-in 5-hour battery. This makes it to where a user doesn't always have to be near an outlet for reading their documents. Whether you're a student or a professional or just someone that wants to read at home, the Magnilink Voice 2 is a great choice for you. The Magnilink Voice 2 is a reading machine designed by LVI America. This device has been designed to help people who are low vision, totally blind, or print disabled with various tasks that involve reading. On the front of the device, you have a speaker where we will hear whatever the device is reading out loud. We have an arm that has a LED light and a camera that's built into it. On the side of the device, we have the power button towards the top. Underneath that, we have 2 HDMI ports that will allow us to connect this device to a monitor where we can see whatever is underneath the camera. And underneath that, we have our port for charging. If we turn the device to the back, on the back of the device, you'll notice towards the bottom there are 3 different USB ports. We use one of those ports to connect our hand controller that we use to manipulate the device. And with the other 2 ports, we're able to connect thumb drives to the unit where we could then have the device read different text files off that thumb drive or save scans that we've taken with the Magnilink Voice 2 to those thumb drives. That way you can put it into a computer and have access to it with your screen reader. To the left of our 3 USB ports, we have a 3.5 millimeter port that allows a user to connect a pair of headsets for privacy. Let's take a look at the hand controller that comes with the Magnilink Voice 2. You'll notice that there are 6 physical buttons on the remote that allows a user to manipulate the text that they are reading. For this demonstration, we're only going to use the bottom 3 buttons. Right now, I am placing a catalog underneath the camera of the Magnilink Voice 2, and I'm going to put my hands on the remote. I can use one of the buttons to do things like adjust the speed.
Speed 85, 90, 85, 80.
Adjust the volume.
Volume 70, 75, 70, 65.
And with the big orange square button, I can take pictures of whatever text is underneath my Magnilink Voice 2.
A reading machine scans printed text and reads it up using a speech synthesizer. LVI offers the proprietary Magnilink Voice 2, which stands out with its cutting-edge design, and it is fast and very easy to use. Magnilink Voice 2 is a reading machine with focus on simplicity, high performance, and contemporary design. It's the user-friendly adding machine that exceeds expectations.